guys, Dinosaur here, and today we are making instant slimy goop with Little's Pet Shop and with my friend. And my house. It is. I can't wait. Okay, so we have a bowl. Came with a really small bowl, but we got this one now. Yeah. Okay, so this is the old bowl. It's so small. Okay. Cuphead. F-I-N-E. Okay. Just make it so it's like that. Fine! Jay! Okay, so first we have activator. That's what we need to put in first. Let's look. Cool, right, guys? Looks like water. It is. But it is actually activated. Because that's bad. But and now we need to add in the solution. Ooh. It's actually kind of like a yellowish green. Whoa. It looks clear. Will this glow in the dark? Yep. Can't wait. So we will. So are we going to turn like the lights off or something so it can glow in the dark? Or something? Oh my god. Oh yeah. Wait. Your hand. Put that in the sink. Thanks. This is so cool. Oh my god. So cool. And if you haven't heard that she's getting her LPS collie on the 6th and I'm getting mine on the 14th November. What are we talking about? I don't know. Okay, so that dripped a little. Dripped. Then we need to mix it. And then oh my god, look at the bubble! How did that bubble get there? Oh, and it popped. It popped. And then we're gonna have to mix it, but on the thing it says no mixing, no measuring. And it comes with some measurings. Like not measuring. I need to put the top back on. But it has a mixing thing. It has a mixing stick, I guess. Alright, so now we need to mix this together. Whoa. Oh my god, look at this. Whoa, this looks so cool, guys. It's so slimy and goopy. That's why it's called Slimy Gloop. Oh, it's Gloop. It says Gloop. Dang, guys, that is so cool. Wait, turn off the lights. Oh, it glows. Okay, you guys in the camera can't see, but it glows. It glows. Good. I know, it's so cool. Now we're gonna add the neon. I'll do that. Okay. We need to transport this into another container. Yep. This looks so cool. We should take the measuring thing out. Wait, just take it out, please. We need to get another container. Not the measuring. Wait, stop. We need to get another container. Let's go. Where's the container? The container. Spring trap. The containers are down here. So what container do we need? Just a small container like that. Because there's a ton of that liquid in it still. So yeah, we need like a huge thing. You want me to hold it again? Sure. Yeah, I'm holding the camera. I'll add a tiny bit of this. So cool. Now we need to get balls. So cool, guys. So cool. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay. Now look at that. That's cool. So cool. It is like so cool. Okay. Now let's take the mixing thing out. Yeah, it really glows. It actually does glow. Get off of the measuring. Whatever it is. If you heard little whispering, that was my mom. Okay, now I'm gonna add neon drops. Yeah, I can see neon drops. It could be so cool looking. Okay, it'd be so cool. Okay, fine. Whoa. Okay, so let's face. Whoa! This is gonna help a lot. Whoa, I'm not even getting it close. This is so cool. Oh my god, this is so good. I don't know what I am saying. Okay. That looks like enough neon, and now we'll mix it. Mix the neon in. How is it supposed to mix? It's slime. Whoa, it all just came off. Whoa. That's good. And cool. I wish you guys could see that it glows. Yeah. I need some more neon. Yeah, my friend's helping me record. Oh, I think. Don't show your face. Okay. What if I do? Did you already do a face reveal? Yeah. Well, I didn't do a face reveal. You. Can I face reveal myself? No. Fine. Your mom might be mad. So? Yeah, get parental supervision. Ugh. Looks like barf. Kinda. It's like dog barf. It's like alien solution. Okay. This looks like medicine. Kinda. This neon stuff reminds me of something, but I forgot what it was. It's like a candy. That reminds me of. Oh yeah, this candy from Halloween. This like, I don't know. Kit Kat? Like all of them Kit Kats or something? Why would this be a Kit Kat? I don't know. Look at it. It's so amazing. It's so cool. I made you this so wrong. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. And it looks like this. Wow. I think we did something wrong. No. It just like showed total clickbait on the box. Oh, it's because it's like glow in the dark. That's why. It's glowing. It's glowing. Whoa. Okay, sorry guys, you can't see. I know the thing sounds so weird. Should we end the video or what? Okay, guys. That was pretty much it. That was so cool. Yep. It was really cool. With slime. Don't touch it! Oh my god, it's so sticky. This was slime video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! That was like tiny.